With unlimited storage and the ability to access it all over the cloud, Google Drive is one of the most powerful components of the Google Apps for Education suite. So as you can see, here's my drive. It's very nice and clean. If you notice, I do have a couple of different ways I organize it. First off, you notice that I'm in the tile section of Google Drive. You can also change that over here to the list section. And to me, a lot of times the list section is the easiest because I can see a lot of details in here. Now, also you notice that I have colored folders. Those colored folders peek into my eyes much easier, and so I can look for the specific one. So if I'm looking for my Google Apps components, then I'm going to look right here on the red folder. If I'm looking for my images, I'm going to look here for the blue. So to do that, what I do is you go over to a folder, you right-click on the folder, and you go to Change Color. Now I'm going to change my website color to a very standout yellow. And so now, anytime I'm looking for a specific folder, I know which ones to look for. And if you look over here, that change also takes effect in the My Drive section in the list area. Also notice that my images is starred. Now, starring is just like in Gmail where you can search for starred. So let's say I want to find my trainings folder. Now, again, I can change the color. We're going to change this to a bright green, but also I'm going to start. And here's the reason why you would want to start. Now notice I do have two folders that are starred. So I'm going to go in the search section and type in starred, and I'm going to search for that. Now what that'll do is it'll give me all my folders that are starred. So this could be things like templates or folders that are very specific to you. And then when you use it in Google Classroom, you can search specifically for starred folders or starred items. So if I open up this training folder and I want to star my iPad training plan, and also want to star my iPad quick sheet. That way I know where to access it very quickly on my iPad, or I can access it on my Chromebook, wherever I need to go. I can just, again, search for starred and find it very easily. So again, these normally are used as templates, or these can be used as things that allow for it. Also notice that the folders also have folders within those folders. So if you drop down over here, there's folders within those folders. And these folders can be moved around wherever you want to. And we can drag it back to my drive. So those are 3 different ways I use to organize my drive, and I hope that helps.